SAP has a great portfolio of cloud products to deliver total workforce management. So Victor, when a client's just coming in new, how do you think we should lay out for them how to get started?
So the way we structured our package is very specific around three major pillars. The first one is the people component. And I start with the people component because it's always an important thing to have the usability, the friendliness of the way the system would change not only process, but also day-to-day management of the entire end-to-end lifecycle, both the contractor as well as an employee. So the user experience was an important piece that we wanted to bring forth to our clients. The second one is data. Now you finally have a unified platform, a unified dashboarding capability to actually see the data between the different data models. Those are different structures as well as different type of information that you have for your non-employee base versus your employee base. We bring that now into one of the same unified data model, which is a very important piece for bringing out that visibility. And the last one is, of course, the decision-making piece. Now having that data brought into visibility for you and seeing the data come together, now we have a much better dashboarding, reporting, as well as analytics component that allows you to make much better decisions in terms of your hiring process, in terms of the way you engage either an employee versus non-employee base, and bring it all together in one coherent strategy. So we start with these three components first. We interlay what we typically do in terms of an assessment and how we review the client's current practices and what they're striving towards, what their overall organizational goals, and then we interlay this in three different layers. We have a governance structure, we have the tactical operational piece, and then we interlay that in the technology at the very last, which is the underlying pillar that brings it all together.
Okay, great. And Christy, what value do you see those tactics and our strategy bringing to your clients?
Yeah. So, definitely, obviously, we provide the technology piece, as Victor said, but it's the way that you guys are laying it out with the customers and their journey to get there is in direct alignment with, our vision at SAP, and then with the technology. We also, from a total workforce management in completion, also want to take a look at how the customer can then extend that technology to other things like S4, which is the finance piece of SAP. So that's a big part also of that contingent worker. When they put their time in, it gets invoiced, taking it out to be able to be paid through SAP S4 Finance. So yeah, definitely helpful to our customers with what you guys are doing and helping them see their vision and what they can do with SAP solutions.